and then drop the. And that's what I did. And then this is this oatmeal. Oh man. Hey all my Tricks Trenders, it's your girl Tricks, aka Boy Pretty Miami Girl, and I'm back with another video. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, be part of the squad. So today's video, I pulled an all-nighter, so you guys are gonna see me and I'm not gonna look this tired in a few seconds. So I baked a cake, I painted, just watch me do that. Yeah, so make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Besides, you belong here.
Well, I'm still close to Tricks.
Can't stop me, I feel like the greatest. Don't say be humble, I patiently waited. All of this love and I ain't even made it. I got a plan for them niggas that hate it. When I'm some bitch, my bros, I'ma make it. They want me going, I can't walk around naked. Even my brother got caught and he ate it. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Feel like the greatest, I think I'm the goal. Please don't get naked, I just want to throw out of my.
Okay, so hey you guys, we're gonna be pulling like an all-nighter today, and I'm just gonna make me some dinner, and you guys are gonna watch me do that. So this is pasta size creamy alfredo penne included, cheesy garlic seasoning, and we're gonna do that. I hope this all-nighter goes well, and yeah, let's hope it's a vibe. So so I just need to boil it. Let me turn on the stove. Now I'm gonna drop the pasta into the bowl and then drop the sauce. That's all. I got this from Dollar Tree. Why do you think I was watching? So this is a canvas. It's like $2 and it came for $1. And I got this other painting set for $1 with some paintbrushes. And we're gonna be watching Bob Ross. So hopefully this turns out right. And I have this poster paper, so because I don't have like the little, you know, the little plate you put the paint on. And yeah, so let me open everything and then we're gonna get right to it. Go.
I'ma try to put you in your worst mood up. Sipping on you like some fun wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my pocket. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, yeah. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my pocket. 17 shots, no 38, yeah.
He said just go in X's through like the middle of the painting, and that's what I did. So I'm gonna dip my brush into some water so you don't get hard and crunchy. Okay, so let's see what else he said.
Distribution of paint all the way through the bristles. And let's go right up here. And we'll take this old brush and just make little X's and crisscross strokes. We'll just very quickly drop in just a little more part in the sky. Maybe we'll have a little pink in the sky. I sort of like that. And in our world, we can do anything that we want to do here. Any old thing. There. Doesn't take too long when you use the brush. It's 2 inches wide. Okay, without even cleaning the brush, pull them right into little phthalo blue. I like phthalo blue. It's a very warm blue.
Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the
Once
color
again,
blue.
just tap a little color into it. Let's go back up here. And still using our little crisscross strokes.
Update, so it's not looking like Bob Ross, and kind of feeling hurt right now, but I mean I'm trying.
I'm trying. I've only been
I'm trying, and like my water turned purple. I think it's time for a wash. But, like, this is just messing it up. I think I'm gonna need to run back to Dollar Tree because I'm not gonna. Look how his is looking and look at mine. Okay. Some trees. So let me take you guys back down here. Okay, so go back, sir, please. I wasn't ready. So now I'm just gonna, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the end results when I am done, okay? So comment down below right now if you think it's gonna be a bop or a flop or not. Yeah. So like,
are you doing breaks?
no,
That's not a break.
I'm painting.
What does Pacey got to do with a break?
I'm pulling an all-nighter.
Can you pull a break?
Okay, can I have a drum roll, please? Like, it's Beauty. I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet, but like, here it is. So, oh, this girl done run away. So we have trees over here, and these are some big old birds flying around. And then here's the ocean, it's like a little river, and then this is this own little island. And the little shiny parts are the stars. And the red, so it's red because I didn't have white to make pink, so I tried my best. So we're just gonna imagine that what's going on here is I don't know, what would you tell me? Tell me what you see that's happening. Why is this red? Ignore the fact that I didn't have white paint. Tell me why is this red? So like, you see the little stars beaming. I wish I could have drawn animals,
Because you don't have white paint.
why you have to do me like that? It's my friend, is terrible. So yeah, so I'm gonna pack everything up before I get in trouble. You guys, try painting, it's fun. I'm gonna try again because I have like 4 more canvases to try again, and it's gonna be fun. So I followed Bob Ross tutorial. I'll have the link in the description. So right now we're gonna put everything up, and then we're gonna move on to our next activity. Okay, so everything's all up in my bag, and I will see you guys again soon. And now let's go. I'll be brushing my teeth and then putting on my face mask, so not much talking going on, and just enjoy the background music, I guess. There you go. Get the get. If you guys want to see my skincare video, it will be in the description. It's on my channel. And yeah, so now we're gonna move on to our next video. And what time is it?
1 o'clock.
It is 1 o'clock. So yeah, let's move on. Bye. Okay, that was fun. Now I'm gonna go do some puzzles. And yeah, and I'm gonna start importing my items from my camera onto the computer so we can make the process much faster and we could just kill time. Alright. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be uploading the footage onto the computer and editing, and I got my friend Tammy right here to help out with that. Yeah. So yeah, see you guys. It is currently 1:15 and we're supposed to be doing this for like an hour and like 30 something minutes, and then we're gonna go on to whatever is next. So yeah, it's like 2:15 now. We're running a bit behind schedule, but that's okay. So I imported all of my videos I recorded so far, and now we're gonna go baking together. Yes. Okay guys, welcome to Baking with Tricks. So we have 3 different options here. So we have Devil's Food cake mix, and then we have Pillsbury traditional yellow. Y'all all know buddy right here. And then we have chocolate chip cookie brownie mix. So I'm still on the phone with my friend Tammy. So what are we making today? So you're making yellow. Okay, so we better have the same result. We are making the same exact thing. So this is
the cake is better. It's gonna be nice.
It's gonna be like the show Grwm. But yeah. So there's not gonna be that much talking. Just enjoy the background music and let's go. Wait, hold your Tammy over here is making her secret sauce, and she's treating this like an actual competition. You guys, here's mine. I forgot to show you, but yeah, like creativity, come on. So now I'm gonna put it into the oven, and we're gonna do that. Yeah. She's not even ready, but y'all don't, it looks like what it looks like, right? Oh, I'm out of focus, but yeah, you already know what it looked like, period. Okay, okay, I'm gonna attempt to do the renegade. I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing, so here we go. Hashtag not about to get copyrighted. Go, hey, let's go, hey, renegade, woo. Hey, like I hit the lottery. Ooh, something. Hey, get the gat, hey, walk. So here's my oven mitts. I know. And you guys will see when the cake is ready. While the cake cools off, we're gonna wash off this face mask, and yeah. Oh my gosh, it's 4. I almost said it's 5, it's 4. But yeah, let's go. How am I gonna flip it from the pan?
Your cheeks is already flipped. It's already flipped it. If you get what I'm trying to say.
It's hot.
I don't know what to tell you.
But I can't hold it with one side. me to do it. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna put some sprinkles, confetti, whatever. Okay, so yeah. Okay, there we go. So it's currently 5:15. I don't know how I'm still up late. Look at the bags under my eyes. I think this was a successful all-nighter. Like, on the phone for, bro.
I don't know, because Kip can't get up and call you back and
yeah, that was so funny. It's 5:14, y'all. Okay, guys, it is 5:20 and this has been a really long night. I can't believe I stayed up that late. Like, I'm so tired. But thanks to Tammy, I stayed up. I made a cake. I painted following Bob's Ross tutorial. I did word puzzles, edited. It was just a whole bunch, and it was really fun. I don't think I'll do it again, but if you guys want me to do it again, I'll probably do it again. And you guys tell me what activities you guys want me to do. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because I am tired. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below some other videos, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And it was your girl, that girl Tricks, aka Boy Pretty Miami Girl, and I'm signing out. Bye, y'all.
My brother got caught and he ate it. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Feel like the greatest, I think I'm the GOAT. Please don't get naked, I just want to throw out of my